Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Timson Tim. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for sharing everything. Today we're just gonna go with the day. Gonna probably talk about my car and things I've done to it. So stay tuned and just enjoy. So here she is, my baby. That's her. So this is Betty, my MK6 GTI. Looking all clean right now. So here's the cold start. I've been starting this car in a whole day. Perfect. That's what she sounds like. Pretty loud. So on the car now, I have a catless downpipe and the rest lead, and I've modified the muffler as well, so it's loud. It's really loud. So I'm about to use this on the car, and then hopefully it shines. So if you want this, you can contact Autodazzle as well on Instagram. So right now I'm spraying the car, but you can tell it's finished. I do recommend this product. It's helping my paint and it's helping it glow and stay healthy. And look at how it's gonna glow. Look at the glow. This is really good. This is really good. Blacked out. It's the side mirror, the door handles, and I refurbished the rims as well. You can follow me on Accessport on Instagram. So this is the car. I really like it. Well, I have aftermarket taillights. It actually came with the car when I got it. And I actually blacked out the petrol tank. Well, the Autodazzle product helps the paints look at how it's glowing still. We have the air intake by Ramair. It removes the interior, so that's my Cobb Accessport right next to my steering wheel, and I used to flash all my tunes onto my car. This is a DSG, so I get all my farts on upshift and everything. Love the steering wheel and the seats, the cloth, the GTI cloth is really good. I'm going to show you what the exhaust sounds like in the next video. So guys, girls, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and most of all at this point, stay safe in this pandemic. Corona is still out there, so be safe out there.